Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Cygnus Capital PR LLC, a subsidiary of the Jamaican-based Cygnus Group, has invested US $6 million into the Ana G. Mendez University in Puerto Rico. This injection of funds into Puerto Rico's education sector will result in the launch of high-demand accredited programs such as dental medicine, veterinary medicine, and physical therapy at the institution. As such, Cygnus Capital has dubbed this a significant investment that is making a milestone in the island's educational landscape. The upcoming Digital Jamaica Summit and Showcase, scheduled for Tuesday, September 3 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in New Kingston, is organized by the Jamaica Business Development Corporation. It will bring together leading experts to discuss how digital technologies can drive the growth of MSMEs through digital innovation. In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, MSMEs often grapple with how to effectively integrate new technologies to stay competitive. As such, the aim of the event is to empower MSME owners and managers with the knowledge to make informed decisions and implement effective digital strategies. During the trading for the period of August 28, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited US dollar shares with 12,235,468 units represent 33.83% of the total market value in terms of sales. Investment firm Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 4,228,590 units represent 11.69% of the total market value in terms of sales. Pharmaceutical product distributor R.A. Williams Distributors Limited with 2,917,020 units represent 8.0% of the market value in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On August 28, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $53.39 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $56.51 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.81 and bought the US dollar for $156.53. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $2.28, which represents a profit for the Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.34 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $118.17 and bought for $116.83. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $2.30, selling it for $208.78 and buying it for $204.59. For our credit report tip of the day, we continue to talk about rebuilding credit after the age of 50. But it's not too late to improve your financial health. And we always say if you have assets and freelance income, you're already in a strong position to rebuild and boost your credit score. So we have 2 strategies for you. First, leverage your assets for secured loans. So use an asset like real estate or a vehicle as a collateral for a secured loan. This type of loan is easier to obtain and can help you rebuild your credit with on-time payments. Secondly, you can build credit with your freelance income. consistently deposit your freelance income into your bank account. Regular deposits can help you demonstrate stability when applying for loans or credit cards. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update,